Hello, Astro Diver number 1 here, and today is September 28th, 2022, and I'm about 24 hours away from Hurricane Irma coming through. So I guess now is a good time to unbox this generator that I bought 2 months ago. So a few months ago, in June I guess, I decided to run this generator. This generator I did a video on exactly 5 years ago, just after we used it about 40-50 hours for Hurricane Irma. So this is becoming a pattern. But anyhow, the generator ran pretty well. It's going to need some carburetor work, but one problem I'm having is it's not giving me full voltage output for some reason, and that I'm not too sure about. And if you look back at the video I did 5 years ago, I only paid $300 for this as it sits, and with 100 hours on it, it's done its job. So in June I found a deal on this for $400, and it's been sitting there for several months. It's going to be a shame I have to unbox it. My cat was becoming quite fond of it. So this is the XP 5500, and it's peak watts, 4500 running watts. My other green generator, I believe, was 3800 running watts, so a little bit more powerful. The axle is shipped underneath the generator, and one hold down is welded, the other one's loose. Comes with a wheel kit, the front stands, a little tool kit, a spark plug wrench, and underneath the generator you need to cut out that wood shipping block right there. These are 10 and 12 millimeters, by the way. Before I put the negative 12 volt battery cable on, just going to check over the generator for loose wires, loose fuel hoses, things like that. I'll remove this yellow tag after I put oil in it. This tag I can remove. I can remove these tags and just check the petcock on the fuel system. These do leak. We'll check the air filter next. Looks good. And all the fuel lines look secure to me. I've already hand tested them. And a difference in the older 4850EH is that the E series is not propane powered, where the old, just gasoline, the old EH series ran on propane and gasoline. 20 fluid ounces at 1030, and I'll be putting in mobile synthetic 1030. Alright, 20 fluid ounces is about 6/10 of a liter, which we're going to call right about there. Alright, that's empty. We will remove the tag. Go down to our mark. Alright, this is showing almost to the top, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Probably get down to that guesstimate mark of mine. Gas time. About 1.5 gallons of gas. Okay, shut breaker off. Gas valve on. Breaker is off. Fuel valve is on. And this is a good time to check for leaks. Close choke, turn the engine switch to start. Close choke. Alright, well ventilated. Doors closed, exhaust is out. Turn the engine switch to start. Engine switch to run. Then open the choke once it's running. Alright, all set to go. What I'll do with these types of engines is let it run for 10 minutes, cool off, check for leaks, and then run it 15-20 more minutes before I put a load on it. Well, started right up. First time. So it's all up to temperature. Nothing leaking. No problem so far. Since the instruction manual doesn't cover a break-in period, I'm just going to wing it. 15 minutes on, 25-30 minutes cool, 15 minutes on, no load, another 25-30 minutes cool, back on, 5 minutes, and then put a small load on it. That's our half hour of braking. Still everything looks tight. This time I have 110 hooked up and need to turn the breaker on. Alright, that's been 45 minutes of running total. So as we speak, right about now at the Sarasota Fort Myers area, Hurricane Ian is crashing into shore, and our thoughts go out for him.